How to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iOS 18.5. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Notifications. Now from the list of the apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Enable for the option Allow Notifications. Likewise, enable for these option Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners. Enable for these option Sound and Badges. After you enable for these options, you might get the notification from Snapchat. Now, next thing you want to check is launch your control center, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Make sure you haven't enabled focus mode. Make sure all these are disabled. Likewise, close this and head back. Now launch your App Store and search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just update your Snapchat to its latest version. Next up, launch your Settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Then head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat. Once you find it, launch it. Now click on the option Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, head back, click on the option Shutdown, wait for a few minutes, and then press and hold on the power button and again turn on your phone. Lastly, what you can do is update your phone software to its latest version. So navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.